Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 2nd, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The Dow took a big hit today. Um, you can see here this huge sell off here and a little bounce at the end. At down here, it was down 700 points, and it did bounce up the last hour and a half there and officially closed down 459. Uh, okay, the sell-off was very bad for our existing positions, and we did have a few, and so we ended up dropping $10,000 in closed out trades on all those positions. We did basically get into, we weren't actually officially in short positions, but we were in four stocks that tend to go up when not tend, but do go up when the overall market falls. And so when the Dow was down here, we were up about $14,000 in our open trade. The bounce deflated some of that, but we're still holding positive about 7,000 going into tomorrow. So, minus 10 on the closeout side, plus 7 on the open trade. Really not such a bad day when the Dow was down 700 points at one point, but it doesn't feel good. We're just, we're getting hammered in this very choppy market, and um, I hope this chop can straighten itself out shortly. There are a lot of worries about a trade war with China. That is driving the market down, and a lot of other worries too. It's become a nervous market, and it's also, it's been an aging bull, and it's in need of a correction, and so it's a little surprised that that's what it's doing, but it makes trading it very difficult. I'll show you just a couple trades. I'll show you the typical of the bad one. So we had today. This is Ichor Holdings, and we had bought this on Friday. No, I'm sorry. Market was closed on Friday. We bought this on Thursday. It did close a little against us, but it was not a big loss at all. But then, bang, down it comes with that bad market open, and we ended up down basically $3,000 when we got out of Ichor Holdings. To offset that, we did have some good positions too. And this is ProShares. This is basically inverse to the Dow, if you want to think of it that way. It's going to go up when the stock market goes down. And we bought this second hour, didn't buy right away, we bought a second hour, and it kept going. And when it was up here, we were up about $14,000. Put a screenshot of that on the website, but then it pulls back as the Dow goes up. So basically, we're closes here. We got about $3,000 positive in open trade equity. The thing that's kind of bothering me about that, I'm looking at the aftermarket, and this is now down to about $1,000 in the aftermarket. Now that doesn't mean a whole lot, a whole lot can happen overnight, and we could end up we could have this thing actually take these highs out on the open. That's certainly possible. But I have never been a person who likes to short the stock market. I have done a lot of shorting, and I've had some bad experiences with it. And the thing I don't like is you get these huge down spikes in stocks, and if you have short positions, you have a huge amount of money, but the buyers just come in there crazy, and the result is the thing bounces, and then you lose all those profits. I have had that happen many times, and I got the same feeling today with this ProShare trade. So I don't know. I mean, we may work. This may work out beautifully tomorrow. I don't know, but I never been real comfortable with shorting, even on a day that the Dow falls 459 points. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.